Hello, Beth. Hi, Belle.
A teacher.
How are you, Belle?
Good.
Well, that's good to know. Please make yourself comfortable, Belle. What did you do today, Belle? Did you go to the park and play with your brother?
No. I I go to the park and play with my friend.
Oh, why? Where is Taipei?
Oh,
He stayed at home?
no. He at the school.
Oh, he went to school. Okay, that is why. Now let me share my screen, Belle. How are you feeling now, Belle? Are you are you okay? Are you hungry? Are you tired?
I'm great.
Oh, you're great. That's nice, Belle. So now we'll have this one. And yes, all you have to do here is to fill in the boxes to complete the puzzle, Belle. So the first one we have here rooms. Like for example, we have bathroom. Now what about all the other blanks we have, Belle? What do you think is this?
Kitchen.
Okay, wow. Yes, we have kitchen. What about this? It's
Living room.
okay, yes, very good. It's a living room. Last one, Belle. It's
Bedroom.
yes, it is a bedroom. Great job. Now let us proceed to numbers. Okay, so can you see it clearly if it's like that, Belle?
Okay.
Can you see it if it's like that?
Yes.
Okay, now let us have numbers, Belle. Numbers. What number is it, Belle? This one right here.
Trend. No. Six.
Six.
Six. 66.
Okay, very good. 66. Okay, what about this one?
Is 10.
It's
20.
it's not 20. Belle, 20 ends with Y. In here we have E. It's
12.
yes, 12. Very good. What about this one?
Is 15.
Okay, very good. It is indeed 15. Okay, next one, Belle. What about this one?
22.
Okay, very good. It's 22. What about this? It's what is it, Belle?
Hmm.
Hmm. It's
I don't know.
okay. It's one.
Wonder.
Okay, 100. Okay, last one, Belle. Last one for numbers. What do you think is this one?
It's
It
I don't know.
you don't know what this one still. It's 40. 40.
41.
Yes, it's 41, Belle. Now let us talk about actions. What is this, Belle? What action is it? Mhm. What do you think is that? Action.
It's sleep.
Yes, it is sleep. What about this?
It's talk.
Okay, very good. It's talk. This one, Belle, is
It's dance.
very good. Dance. Now, what about this one? What do you think?
It's drink.
Okay, yes, very good. It is drink. What about this?
It's
It it starts with S and it is in
sing.
action. It is
Sing.
sing. Okay. Now, what about this one, Belle? It starts with L. I mean, it starts with a P and it ends with Y. It is a four-letter word.
Vui ba và đang học nữa. Vui.
Sao cô mất rồi?
Cô đây.
Em biết là cô quay em đi. Cô đi á.
Con nói chí.
Where are you going, Belle?
No. Wait for me. Wait for me.
Okay.
Wait for me 6 minutes.
Okay, Belle. Hi, hi, Belle.
Okay.
Okay. Are you done now?
Yes.
Okay, so now we'll proceed to the next activity. In here, all you have to do is to fill in the missing letters to complete the word. What is it? What is it, Belle? Can you tell me the missing letters here?
It's a wheel.
Okay, yes, it is a wheel. How do we spell wheel, Belle?
WHEEL.
Very good. Okay, now what about this one? What are the missing letters?
Photo.
Yes, it is a photo. Okay, well done. What about this one? What is it?
It's a chin.
Great job, Belle. What is he doing?
It's he. She's think.
Okay, yes, he is thinking. What is it, Belle?
It's a shell.
Great job. It is indeed a shell. Now, proceeding to the next one, Belle. Can you tell me what can you see? I can see.
I can see 3 wheels.
Okay, I can see 3 whales. Very good. What about for 2?
The the ship has
The
a
ship has
phone.
okay, has a phone. Next one, Belle.
The wheel is behind the chair.
Okay, very good. There you have it. Okay, that was quick, Belle. Thank you. Now let us have another activity. Okay, so we'll now have telling time. Do you know how to tell time, Belle?
Yes.
Oh, can you tell me what time is it in Vietnam now?
Is
What time is it now?
wait.
Okay. Do you have a wall clock, Belle? Or it's just the time in your iPad? It's
It's 5:45.
it's 5:45?
Yes.
No, it's not 5:45, Belle. It is 5:15. It's 5:15 in Vietnam because in the Philippines it's already 6:15. And we are just an hour ahead of your time. Okay. So now, Belle, let us have this. Okay, wait. Let me cover it all. And I want you to tell the time yourself.
Sao mà biết nữa?
Can you tell me? Can you tell me, Belle? What time is it? Look at the first picture. What time is it? Mhm. Do you know?
Is one o'clock.
Okay, yes, very good. It's 1 o'clock. What about for the second
1
clock?
o'clock.
What time is it, Belle?
Is one is 1:03.
1:03. The numbers inside, Belle, they tell the hour. Okay, but for the longhand, we will be telling the minutes, right? So always remember, Belle, that it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, 35, 40, 45, 50. 55. And this one is 60, but we don't say 160. We'd say 1 o'clock. Okay, so in here, it means, Belle, that it is already 1:15. Okay, it's already 1:15 because the shorthand, which is the hour hand, is pointing to 1, which means it is already 1. And the long hand, which tells the minutes, it is pointing to 3, which is 15, Belle. It's 1:15. Okay, 1:15. Okay, Belle.
Okay.
Now, let us try answering the next one, of course. Can you tell me what time is it, Belle?
Is is 5:15.
Is it 5, Belle? Where is the shorthand, Belle? You have to look at the shorthand first because that is the hour. It is 1, right? It's 1. What about the long hand? It's pointing to 6, which means it's 30. It's 1:30, Belle. It's 1:30. That is how we tell time. Shorthand first before the long hand. Okay, now what time is it?
Is one
Mhm.
one
It's 1.
40 45.
Very good. It's 1:45. And for the last one, what time is it?
It's 1:10.
1 o'clock, Belle. 1 o'clock. If the long hand is pointing to 12, Belle, we'd say o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and so on. Okay, now let us practice. And in here we have a listening activity. Belle, listen and the number the correct clock.
Page 64. B. Listen and number. 1. Let's play a game. 1 o'clock.
It's this clock. It's a red clock.
Good. 2. 2:15. 1. Let's play a game. 1 o'clock.
It's this clock. It's a red clock.
Good.
1 o'clock, Belle. Where is the clock that shows 1 o'clock? 1 o'clock.
I can give you a pen.
Why? Where is your pen?
I can use a pen.
What are you using, Belle? Oh, you can see your pen? You can see your pen, Belle?
Yes,
Oh, why?
I don't know.
Okay, wait, let me place letters then. Okay, so this is A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so 1 o'clock.